Thanks for joining me today. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to introduce you to the product screen. We're going to show you how you can use it to filter and control your products and how you can quickly update things. First, let's introduce you to the filters. With the channel filters, you can filter your channels to whichever channel you like. This might be Amazon, eBay, or Shopify, as well as one of our other multi-channel partners. You can also filter within a channel. So if you've multiple Amazon or eBays, you can easily filter to just one specific store. Next, you can also search for your products. This is quite easy and can be done with title, ASIN, or SKU. But the real exciting part is we have our detailed product filter. With this, you can easily filter your products in tons of ways. You can see on screen now many quick options, including buy box status, fulfillment type, channel, and many other options. But this is far from it, as you can also search based on your repricing status, and also some additional filter options, including sales rank. But that's not all, as you also have custom filters available to you. These are brilliant as they let you set up filters designed just for your business and pull them up whenever you need them. Now that we've filtered our products, let's have a look at what you can do on the screen and what you can see. By default, core information will be displayed to you. This includes product title, quantity, repricing status, min-max, rule, and some other valuable fields. These are far from everything that's available, however, as you can add new columns to the list at any time you wish. You can also reorder and remove any columns you're not looking to use. Once you've added a new field, such as cost, just save it, and that column will now be listed on screen as well. This makes it so much easier for you to bring up the relevant details most important to you and your business. Now, in order to make it as quick as possible to update the most important information, you can update things such as your min, your max, and your rule on screen. Repricer even comes with safeguards, such as the one on screen now, preventing us from setting a max price lower than our min. From here, you can even update your repricing rule, or even turn repricing off. If you want more information on a product, simply click on it to bring up the product details. From the product details, you can see lots of useful information, some of which is on the main table, but other bits you can only get here. Use it to review your repricing status, your buy box performance, or even your profitability using our net margin calculator. From here, you can even bring up the product insights, which gives even more information, or your repricing events, which gives you a history of your product's repricing. Now, we understand that updating things one product at a time can get a little slow and a little taxing. So we offer a whole suite of bulk update options on screen. You can select products individually to be updated, select all products on the screen, and you can even choose to select all products filtered, not just those on screen. Once you've selected your products, choose the Bulk Edit Options button to get started. Now here, you can do common options such as assigning a repricing rule or changing your min-max, but there's a whole raft of options you can use. I won't go into each of them now, but I would recommend having a look at each or checking out our Help Center. For the sake of this example, we're going to update a repricing rule. Simply choose the Assign a Repricer option and then choose the repricer you'd like to apply. This part's great. You can choose to either assign a repricer to all products you've selected or simply target those that haven't got a repricer on them at the moment. This is brilliant for getting products started early on. And now congratulations, you're a Repricer product screen expert. Why not investigate one of the many other videos about Repricer.com we have available on the channel? Or, better yet, if you haven't yet started a trial, sign up today for free or book a demo with one of our helpful team. See you later!